Hey everybody, welcome to Bitcoin for Dummies. It's Mike Miller here with another video. This time, as promised, how to earn free crypto using your Coinbase account. If you watched my last video, it's how to buy Bitcoin. You can create a Coinbase account. Link is in the description. Please use the link. And another correction, in my last video, I said you get $5 free crypto. If you actually use my link, because it's a referral link, you get $10 in free Bitcoin. And so do I. And so if you pass your link to the next guy, that's another way you can earn free Bitcoin. Here's what your watch list looks like on your Coinbase account. But pay no attention to that. Look all the way over there to the side where it says Earn Rewards. You just go over, you click on that, and there will be a series of different cryptocurrencies that you can earn by watching these little videos. It is very, very simple. You can get all these different cryptocurrencies, and if you don't want to keep those, you can very easily trade those into Bitcoin or Ethereum or Chainlink or whatever cryptocurrency you'd prefer to have. Anyways, I don't want to waste too much time here. So what you do is you go and you click Watch Video. It goes to the video, you watch the video, and then you take the quiz. Click the answer, you earn $1 new. I've already done this with all these previous reward pools. You can earn $6, $9, you know, different ones have different rewards. These come up at various times when new tokens come up. So there's always ways to earn new free crypto just by having a Coinbase account. And again, if you refer other people to your Coinbase account, every time that happens, you get $10 worth of Bitcoin, and so does the person that you signed up. It's great. You know, personally, I would invest more than the free crypto, but it's a great way to get started, and you can watch and track and see how fun it is. Cryptocurrency is actually a very fun market to be in. So anyways, that's it. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for all notifications, and if you would, please leave a comment in the comments section. It really helps the algorithm and helps this channel grow. This is Mike. I'll see you guys on the next video. God bless. Have a great day. I've got the power.